my bike check. I got the 2012 Charmer V2 26-inch frame. Over here I got the stolen top-load stand with the spray painted black Skyline bars, ODI grips, and got a kink headset. It's the Brosa Malin port with a random peg, kink female hub. Yeah, the MTX 33 with a resist 26-inch tire. And over here we got some 1/8-inch cranks, demolition pedals, burrow mud flap straps. You're good. And over here got the Odyssey peg and a known hub, 14 mil, already meat. What is this tire? Right here you got the animal seat with a Alice seat post. And right here we got an 1/8-inch sprocket, KMC chain. My ratio is 33-13. And yeah.